Continue from here, vk get device queues. Here we are, and over here plus device handle and queue family index. That is indices dot graphics family dot value. Yep. Next is queue family index 0 and queue, which is um, graphics queue for sure. Yep. It is reference to that basically. It is done, and there we go. Okay, now we'll more here. Oh boy. Yep. Now here we'll create a what do you call it? Uh, Here we'll create a function of type std vector. But one thing I need to mention is that we'll remove the std vector from here, and here we'll include the std vector. Here we are, std vector. Then std vector of type, we'll deal with it later, and function name is get extensions. There we are. It is most probably mouse chart filter, and then what we'll do is that we'll just create some variables. That is uint32 underscore t and glfw extensions count equals 0, and well, mouse chart pointer and glfw extensions. Here we are. Then glfw extensions is equal to glfw well, glfw get required instance extensions, and the count is for basically the variable in which the number of required instance extensions should store. We'll write that variable name, that is glfw extension count. Here we are. And then what we'll do is that we'll just we'll create a vector, std vector. Well, it will be mouse chart pointer, pointer, and it will be extensions, and just like glfw extensions, comma glfw extension plus glfw extension count. Here we are. And then finally return extensions, and here we go. Well, that seems pretty good.